This 2021 Alliance RV Paradigm 370FB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Alliance RV is 40 feet 4 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, sleeps 4, Colorado Detector, auxiliary battery, microwave, external shower, awning, smoke detector, LP detector, stove-top burner, oven, water heater, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Alliance RV Paradigm 370FB is 13,856 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.